Welcome back to English Stories with Emma and Alex. Today, our favorite characters are going on a big vacation to London. But airports can be very big, loud, and confusing. Let's see how they manage their journey today. Before we start the story, I have a small question for you. Please listen very carefully to find the answer. What is the problem with Alex's suitcase? The answer will be mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write it in the comments section at the end of the video. Writing in English helps you learn much faster. All right, relax, get comfortable, and let's begin.
Wow, Alex, just look at this crowd. The international terminal is incredibly busy today. There are so many people walking around with huge bags, and everyone seems to be in a big hurry. I always forget how loud and chaotic airports can be.
Yes, you are completely right, Emma. It feels like the whole world is traveling somewhere today. I really hope we are not late for our flight. I get very stressed when I have to rush through security. What time does our plane actually leave?
Don't worry, Alex. Relax. Our flight departs at exactly 4:30 p.m. Right now, it is only 2 in the afternoon, so we have more than 2 hours before boarding starts. We have plenty of time to do everything slowly and without any stress.
That is a big relief. I feel much better now. I hate running with heavy suitcases. So, since we have time, where should we go first? This building is enormous, and I don't see our airline anywhere.
First, we need to find the main flight information board. It's that huge digital screen over there in the center. We need to look for our flight number to see which check-in desks are open for us. Let's walk over there.
Okay, let me look at the screen. Flight to Tokyo, flight to Paris, flight to New York. Here it is. Our flight is LH204 to London. The screen says the status is open for check-in. And look at the right column. It says, please go to desks 12 to 15.
Perfect. Desks 12 to 15 are just around the corner, on the left side of the terminal. Let's head over there right now so we can drop off our heavy luggage. Carrying this suitcase is starting to hurt my arms.
Same here. My bag feels like it is filled with heavy stones. Lead the way, Emma. Let's get rid of these bags as soon as possible.
Good afternoon. Welcome to British Airways. Where are you traveling to today? And may I please see your passports and booking confirmations?
Good afternoon. We are flying to London Heathrow today. Yes, of course. Here are our 2 passports and the printed tickets.
Thank you very much. Let me check your details in our system. Yes, everything looks perfect. You are confirmed for flight LH204. Are you checking any bags today, or do you only have hand luggage?
Yes, we are checking 2 large suitcases. We also have our small backpacks, but we will take those with us onto the airplane as cabin baggage.
Perfect. Please place your first suitcase on the baggage scale right here next to me so we can check the weight.
I will go first. This bright pink suitcase is mine. I tried not to pack too many things this time.
Let's see. The scale shows 18 kilograms. That is absolutely fine. The maximum weight limit for this flight is 23 kilograms per person, so your bag is perfect. Now, please place the second suitcase on the scale.
Oh, I am very sorry. This suitcase weighs 25.5 kilograms. As I mentioned, the maximum limit allowed is 23 kilograms. Your bag is overweight by 2.5 kilograms. You will need to pay an extra fee, or you can take some items out of the suitcase.
Don't panic, Alex. My pink suitcase is only 18 kilograms, which means I have 5 kilograms of free space left. Open your bag right here. You can move your heavy jackets and some books into my suitcase. That will solve the problem easily.
Let's check. Perfect. Now it weighs exactly 22.5 kilograms. That is under the limit. Thank you for your cooperation. Here are your passports back, and here are your boarding passes. Your flight will depart from gate 22B. Boarding will begin at 3:50 p.m. Have a wonderful flight.
Wow, that was a very close call. My heart was beating so fast. Thank you so much for your quick thinking, Emma. If you weren't here, I would have spent a lot of money on that overweight bag fee.
You are very welcome, Alex. That is exactly what best friends are for. We always help each other. Now that our heavy luggage is gone, we need to pass through security control. The line looks a bit long, so let's get ready.
Right, security rules are always strict. I need to take my laptop and my camera out of my backpack and put them into the plastic bin. And I also need to take off my heavy jacket in my belt.
Exactly. Do that before we reach the front of the line so we don't hold up other people. After we pass security, we will be in the duty-free area. We still have about an hour before boarding. Can we please find a small shop and buy some snacks?
That sounds like an excellent plan. I want to buy a big bottle of water for the plane and maybe some chocolate chips or cookies. Flying always makes me hungry.
Me too. Let's go through security now. Next stop, London. I am so excited for this holiday.
What a relief. Emma and Alex solved the problem and are ready for their big trip. Now, let's see if you listened carefully to the story. Here is the question from the beginning one more time. What was the problem with Alex's suitcase? Did you find the answer? If you did, please type your answer in the comment section below this video. Even a very short and simple sentence is perfect. Practicing your English writing like this is the best way to build your confidence. If you enjoyed traveling with Emma and Alex today, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow and create more stories for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.